Missouri has long been a center of trade. From its rivers to rails, highways and airways, Missouri is a freight hub. Its location in the middle of the country is an asset, and Missouri profits from that central location daily.
Missouri plays an essential role in the movement of goods, not just in the Midwest, but throughout the nation and throughout the continent. We are the crossroads of North America.
Building from the on-the-move planning process, the Missouri Department of Transportation listened and responded to the priorities of its residents and businesses and developed a strategic freight plan to strengthen our freight network and prepare for future growth. As the saying goes, it's always better to play to one's strengths. And in Missouri, our freight network is strong. Missouri's freight network, its trucks, planes, barges, and trains move over 1 billion tons of freight valued at over $1.3 trillion per year. That's trillion with a T. And we know that a good freight network helps grow current Missouri-based businesses and makes Missouri an attractive place to locate new jobs. Take agribusiness as an example. For decades, the ability of Missouri farms to get their products to market has been essential. Today, the market is global, and Missouri's freight network helps Missouri farmers sell their products around the world. Businesses like Agri-Services of Brunswick, located in north-central Missouri, support the agriculture industry by selling and distributing fertilizer throughout the Midwest, as well as serving the local area with grain and feed services. Using barge, rail, and truck to receive and distribute their products, a reliable and timely transportation system is critical.
It's everything. We try to keep up with the demands of our customers. With agriculture, it's a seasonal business, and you're always fighting weather, production, everything, and having a reliable transportation source is integral to all of that. Everything's getting bigger, faster. We got to be able to respond to that, take it in a timely manner that keeps our customers running efficiently, and then that also works on shipping it out. We're supplying a product that is key to their business, so we have to have it. We have to have it ready for them when they demand it. So whatever keeps our customers more efficient, more profitable is key for us.
A strong multimodal freight network means increased efficiencies and profitability for businesses and continued economic development. The Pemiscot County Port on the lower Mississippi River in the Missouri Boot Heel ships grain, fertilizer, plate steel, barge lids, diesel fuel, and crude oil. The port serves as an important piece in the multimodal network as the Port Authority manages millions of dollars of assets and provides the foundation for hundreds of jobs.
Missouri ports are both on and off ramps for many modes of transportation throughout the state. We have barges, trucks, trains entering and leaving our port destinations every day. The ability to access multiple modes of transportation can improve both the profitability and the efficiency of a business. Trinity Industries, which is our largest employer in the county, consumes nearly 200,000 tons of steel annually. The ability of the company to access steel from a variety of modes, including the inland waterway system, the Port Authority's rail system, and the adjacent highway system, leads to efficiencies and profitability for Trinity.
And having access to a timely multimodal freight network opens up the opportunities for Missouri to be a major player in the global market.
Well, it's critical because there are so many products coming in and out of a global world today. And depending on what those products are and where they need to get to, you need to be able to be competitive. You need to be able to get products quickly anyway, whether it's the rail or the highway system or the water system or the air system.
An asset like Lambert St. Louis International Airport serves a variety of shippers, from shipping small electronics and pharmaceuticals to flight simulators and power generators. Access to air freight means businesses can ship goods long distances very quickly.
We play a significant role because if you look at goods and services and multimodal, we're one of the four. We're the air piece of it. So when you take a look at the products and the freight that's moved through Missouri, whether it be on the highway system or the rail system or our water system, we're a critical piece of that when you talk about the global market or you talk about that overnight market. So we have, for the products that need to get shipped overnight, letters or important small packages, we have FedEx, we have UPS, we have the bellies of the airplanes. If you're talking about products that are coming in and out globally, you only have two ways of shipping. That's ocean and that's air. So we're a critical piece of that air for this region.
Customers want their goods delivered quickly. Businesses have to locate their distribution facilities on a network that supports that customer demand.
The Walmart Transportation Office takes pride in the fact that we deliver 99% of the time on-time deliveries. Many of our loads are time critical. When we have an expectation of delivering 99% of the time on time to our retail industry or retail units, we not only have supported our retail stores, we have supported our consumer. The consumers expect to find fresh produce. It is an expectation they find full shelves. So having a safe and reliable infrastructure helps us maintain that 99% level of service that we take pride in.
Walmart has 4 distribution centers in the state of Missouri which service 141 retail units. In June 2014, those distribution centers released 8,000 loads, which equaled over 16,000 store deliveries. During that same time, those distribution centers received more than 10,000 truckloads.
By locating our distribution facilities in strategic locations that have readily available access to good transportation networks, we're able to reap significant transportation savings by reducing drive times, distances, and costs. We are then able to pass those savings on to our customers in the form of lower priced goods and merchandise.
It is clear the efficient and reliable movement of goods across Missouri's freight network is a key component of growing the state's commerce. Decisions we make now about investments in our freight network will build the economy of the future. We need investments in our freight transportation system now to ensure Missouri's economy is strong today and in the decades to come.
The success of Missouri businesses, especially in manufacturing, depends on a freight network that works, that is efficient, that allows them to have predictable delivery schedules of whether it's raw materials or product leaving the business for its final destinations. At the Missouri Chamber, we feel it's critical to invest in Missouri's freight network. It's an asset that we need to expand on. Missouri is uniquely positioned to be the logistics and distribution center, not just for the Midwest or the country, but for the continent. So we feel that it's absolutely critical to increase the investment that we make in that asset.
We want to thank everybody that participated in our statewide freight planning process. You know, it's experts like you that really know what it takes to make freight work in our state. And as the Missouri Department of Transportation moves forward, we're going to need everyone's help to try to implement the plan and to make Missouri a good place to do business and make freight work in our state.